Yeah, bafethu sanibona igama lami uDr. Sibonga Msithi bafethu. This is ISABC TikTok kumnaka broadcast show. Kubola bafethu ukuthi sikhona to morning drive, afternoon drive, evening drive bafethu. Follow me ku evening drive, now afternoon drive, morning drive, naga broadcast show. Bafethu, danku. This is my SABC TikTok kumnaka broadcast show. Lankhona khona bafethu. This is my SABC TikTok. Uvela ungena ku TikTok my brother uthi naga broadcast show evening drive, morning drive and afternoon drive. Let's khona bafethu sizokhuluma nawe today is like when bengisasho my brother wena bafethu sitholeni umuntu.
Hayi ngathanda ukubona
Wathanda kabukumbona lo muntu.
ngeke uthule umuntu kade uhamba nge-wheelchair umazi makavela uzokwazi ukumnikeza ne-rose zakhanya
One rose zakaya masithi sithola usithi akavela la khoneni angeke unekike na
hayi ngiyona ajabula kahle
uyisingile yena
hayi angikusingile nginabo but angikusingile
manje phela mawuthi sithola umuntu wena
ngithole umuntu
mawuthi wena like for example awukho manje sithola umuntu
but umuntu ngithole umuntu
okay right asenze so my brother so my brother ungitshela what are you doing when in life for living
ngisebenza ngelambu
sebenza nge-plumbing my brother so so nesikhathi singanani usebenza nge-plumbing
3 years
or you've been 3 years usebenza nge-plumbing so awungitshela my brother like wena ne i-plumbing like achaza ngifuna umthatha umbeke my brother just to advertise yourself
nelosisi ezokwazi ukulibona kahle ezokudla imali yamasimo ngiyablokhulula
yeah when you're my brother okay right so my brother awungitshela like ugcine nini kwenza lo msebenzi lo izolo lokulapha ebaze so let's say mhlambe kunemuntu ose like eMamelodi or ePretoria or eRustenburg or eSoweto uyakufunda so angenza kanjani lo muntu
ngampa phone number uthi angithole ku Facebook
yeah
aduya ngithole
alright so wena ubani ku Facebook or ama number kathi
Facebook ngithiso Samuel Babalithabo mana
yeah ama number akhona athi
number khona 071 89 488
alright so my brother awungitshela like ngoba like niyenza kunethaveni noba nethaveni
yeah ekhaya kunethaveni lo nimbona la
yeah
sisi wami
yeah
nandibeka la sisi wami ithi phela the rest abangani itabaza like
alright so but yakhona ukusurvive my brother
sakhona ukusababa ngabo sendawo ngiyakwazi ukuthi my sister
alright so awutshela my brother wena like ngiphi indawo longothanda ukusebenzela khona nabangathi bayaqasha umuntu afuna ukuqasha yiphi indawo longothanda ukusebenzela khona
noma yiphi indawo unazo customer
la ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe sengithi mhlawumbe like for example ungasaya eWestern Cape ufike uhlale khona for mhlawumbe 3 months
ngaya makuni maintenance
ibuffet
apartment ngahlala khona insimbi zami ngihamba i-distance ngemsebenzini
alright bafethu kama la Dr. Tana kumsithi bafethu lapha isakhuluma no brother uthi biso bafethu my brother uthi biso uthi ushayini i-plumbing bafethu ingamqasha bafethu unikezile inamba yakho waphinza futhi uyamthola la ku Facebook bafethu sahamba mina brother all the best my brother what's the my brother inamba yakho bafethu
Tosha Street Tsenilungu number 8
khona la
Tsenilungu Tosha Street
Tosha Street number 8 Tsenilungu ilanzo njalo khona danko